Hi friends, welcome to this week's Nikon Quick Tip. I am Rohan Dhawan from Nikon India technical team. Today we will be talking about how to save your camera and go out and shoot in the monsoons. So here I have with me one very simple apparatus. It's just a plastic bag which I have made cut two holes on the side and one in the middle, so you can pop your lens through it. This way you have access through your hands, and when you're shooting out in the rain you will probably be able to save most of your camera body. I hope this is a helpful tip and you'll go out and make some lovely pictures in the rain. Until next week, this is Rohan Dhawan signing off.